of everyone. If I told you that there was a prayer that you could say if you did something wrong, and if you said it full intently, God would forgive you, would you believe me? Well, we did this prayer today in the synagogue in the morning. And the name of the prayer is called the 13 Attributes of God. It is actually in the Torah. We say it during Slichot service. We have said it on Rosh Hashanah before we took out the Torah. We said it on Yom Kippur. And we read it today in the Torah in the book of Exodus. And that's called the 13 Attributes of God. And it's the 13 Attributes of mercy, really. And what it is calling up all of God's good qualities, asking for Him to remember those qualities in Himself as He is going to look upon our behavior. Now, what is so magical about that? Couple things. One is that it encourages us to look at our own behavior, and by looking at our own behavior, we get better and we do some things that are better. So the prayer is Adonai Adonai El Rachum V'Chanun Erech Apayim V'Rav Chesed V'Emet Notzer Chesed La'alafim Nose Avon V'Fesha V'Chata'a V'Nakeh. All of these, you take 13 of God's qualities: merciful, gracious, compassion, kindness, slow to anger, and so forth. And by doing that, when you remind yourself of God's quality, you remember what you can do to better your own self. So I hope that maybe you'll open up, find the 13 attributes of God, and you see how you can emulate God's ways and become better. Shavua Tov, everyone.